Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Paxful account with your PayPal. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And if you haven't logged in already, proceed forward with your credentials or your biometric. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to link your PayPal account, scroll down. And now, underneath Use Your Crypto, you will see the Send to Online Wallet option. Within this option, you will also see PayPal. Go ahead and tap on it, and now choose the appropriate PayPal option. You can now enter the amount that you wish to receive or pay within the respective box, and after entering the amount, you can click on the Sell Now option. You will then be asked to enter your PayPal account information. Enter the email address and your password for your PayPal account, and proceed forward with logging in. And once your account information has been verified, your PayPal account will be linked for your transaction, and after your transaction has been made, you will find the option to save it as one of your linked accounts or payment method. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your PayPal account with Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.